Want to program your third gen 1996 to 2002 Toyota 4Runner key fob yourself? It's easier than you think and can save you money. First, ensure your 4Runner has a working battery and the keyless entry system is functional. Close all doors. Now, rapidly insert and remove the key from the ignition 5 times within 5 to 10 seconds. On the 6th insertion, leave the key in the on position. Don't start the engine. Immediately press and hold the lock button on your key fob for 1 second. Turn the ignition off, then press the lock button on the fob twice more. Test the fob to confirm successful programming. Remember, timing is crucial. US models typically use a 3 to 14 MHz frequency. This simple method allows the vehicle to enter a self-learning mode, so there is no need for expensive dealership visits. If programming fails, a common cause is incorrect timing during the ignition cycling. Ensure you are completing the steps rapidly and accurately. Another potential issue is a dead battery in the fob itself, which typically lasts 1 to 2 years. If you're still having trouble, try disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 30 minutes to clear the system's memory. Aftermarket fobs from companies like Keyless Ride are compatible, but ensure they match the correct frequency, 314 MHz. If all else fails, consider checking for corroded wiring, especially in older vehicles. Use dielectric grease on connections to prevent future corrosion. For persistent issues, a faulty receiver module may be the culprit, which might require professional diagnosis or aftermarket system replacement. Also, be aware that models with factory alarms might need additional panic button programming steps.